Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best canopy top is probably one of the most essential upgrades for anyone looking to extend the life and utility of their outdoor shelter, transforming a worn-out frame into a vibrant, functional space perfect for backyard parties, market stalls, or simply enjoying a shaded afternoon, making sure your investment in outdoor living continues to pay off without needing a complete overhaul. Number 5. Best Choice Products 10 by 10 foot pop-up canopy. Setting up your outdoor shelter has never been easier. With its one-push central button and no pinch adjusters, you can have instant shade in under a minute, all by yourself. When the fun is over, compacting it is just as simple. Slide it into the included zip-up carrying case, which features wheels and a rugged handle for easy transport to your next event. Enjoy 100 square feet of comfortable shade with its straight leg design. Easy adjusting sliders offer 4 preset heights, and optional weight bags ensure it stays secure. This versatile canopy is perfect for all your outdoor adventures. Whether it's camping, a children's party, or a stadium tailgate, it provides reliable shelter anywhere you need it. Crafted with a durable steel frame and a sturdy, flame-retardant polyester canopy, it's designed for long-lasting quality. You can count on it year-round for all your outdoor needs. What we like? This canopy boasts an incredibly fast, solo setup, perfect for spontaneous events. Its rolling storage case makes transport a breeze, ideal for those on the go. If you are looking for ultimate convenience and portability, this is your top pick. What people say. No reviews found in the provided source. Please provide product reviews to extract points. Number 4. Yescom 10 by 10 feet UV 30 plus Gazebo replacement top. Upgrade your outdoor space with this replacement canopy. It's designed to fit most 10 by 10 feet dual-tier gazebo frames, providing a perfect shade solution for your garden, patio, or backyard. Crafted from durable polyester with a PA coating, it offers excellent water resistance. Plus, its UV 30 plus protection effectively blocks harmful sun rays, keeping you cool and comfortable. Enjoy a refreshing breeze with its zippered ventilated top, featuring mesh netting. This design ensures optimal airflow and includes 5 grommets on each side for efficient water drainage. Installation is a breeze. Simply place the corners over your gazebo frame and secure it with the convenient hook and loop fasteners. You'll have it up in no time. Whether it's for a party deck, poolside relaxation, or a quiet afternoon on your front porch, its classic color blends seamlessly. It enhances any outdoor leisure time. Made from high-quality 200G SQM polyester, it's built to withstand the elements. This robust material ensures long-term performance and enjoyment. To guarantee a perfect fit, remember to measure your gazebo frame's upper and bottom tier hemlines. Confirm your frame dimensions are within the compatible range. What we like? This replacement top offers excellent UV 30 plus protection, ensuring a cooler space even on hot days. Its zippered ventilated top enhances airflow and prevents heat buildup. If you prioritize superior sun protection and ventilation for your existing 10 by 10 dual-tier frame, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 3. Yescom 8 foot by 8 foot gazebo canopy replacement top. This replacement canopy is designed for 8 by 8 feet dual-tier gazebo frames. It provides a perfect outdoor shade, allowing you and your friends to enjoy leisure time in various settings. Crafted from 200G SQM polyester with a 2-layer PU coating, it offers excellent water resistance. You can enjoy a cozy space even when it's drizzling outside. With UV 30 plus protection, it effectively blocks harmful sun rays. This also helps to significantly lower the temperature in the shaded area during hot summer days. Its zippered ventilated top includes mesh netting between tiers, ensuring optimal air circulation. 4 grommets on each side further promote airflow and efficient water drainage. Installation is incredibly simple. Just place the corners over your gazebo frame and secure it with the convenient hook and loop fasteners. What we like? Designed for 8 by 8 feet dual-tier frames, this cover provides reliable water resistance for light drizzles. It also helps lower the temperature in your shaded area, enhancing comfort. If you have an 8 by 8 gazebo and need a durable, weather-resistant top that keeps you cool, consider this option. What people say. Number 2. KAMPKEEPER 10 by 10 foot canopy replacement top. Is your old canopy top worn out? This replacement cover is designed to refresh your outdoor space, providing reliable protection and comfort. Crafted from durable polyester with a PU coating, it effectively blocks up to 95% of harmful UV rays. This material also ensures it's water-resistant, keeping you dry in unexpected drizzles. Setting it up is a breeze thanks to multiple Velcro tabs and adjustable straps at all four corners. You can quickly and easily secure it to your frame, adjusting the tightness as needed. This one-tier replacement canopy is ideal for most standard canopy frames with 4 straight legs. It's a smart choice to replace a damaged top or keep as a convenient backup. Featuring an air vent in the roof, it ensures excellent air circulation, even for barbecue tents. This design makes it perfect for various commercial or recreational uses. What we like. This replacement top features an integrated air vent for improved circulation, perfect for barbecue tents or events. Its adjustable elastic straps and Velcro tabs ensure a snug, easy fit on most standard 10x10 frames. If you need a versatile, easy-to-install top with enhanced airflow, this one stands out. What people say. Number 1. Sunnydaze 10x10 Canopy Replacement Top. This replacement top is specifically designed for Sunnydaze 10x10 pop-up canopies. It measures 120 by 120 inches and weighs just 3.2 pounds, ensuring a perfect fit. Crafted from heavy-duty PU-coated 150D Oxford fabric, it offers lasting protection. This material is built to withstand various outdoor elements. Please note, this package includes one replacement canopy top. The pop-up canopy frame is sold separately. Available in a variety of vibrant colors, it allows you to easily refresh your existing 10x10 pop-up canopy. Give your outdoor setup a brand new, stylish look. Trusted by families and event planners alike, it provides dependable shade and renewed visual appeal. This top offers heat protection, reducing sun exposure and discomfort for all your outdoor activities. What we like. Crafted from heavy-duty PU-coated 150D Oxford fabric, this top offers exceptional durability and weather resistance. It's available in several vibrant colors, allowing you to refresh your canopy's look. If you value long-lasting quality and the option to personalize your outdoor setup with a fresh color, this is a smart upgrade. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.